Hello friends, so welcome back to my YouTube tutorial, that is luxury watches. So in this video I'm just gonna explain some specific features of this pristine condition Tissot T-Touch 2. It's very beautiful watch and you won't believe it has many features, because as being a smart watch, digital watch, analog watch, it has so many features so that you can utilize on your daily activity, on your daily sports activity. If you are cycling, if you are riding, if you are just walking, jogging, whatever you are doing, if you are going somewhere else, if you are going for the tracking, so it's a best watch to have on your wrist, right? It's do you know it is a touch watch, Tissot T-Touch 2. So how the touch of this watch will work? If I am just touching it, it's not working at all. So we have to activate its touch by pushing this key. So here first let me introduce about this watch. So this is the brand Tissot, it's a Switzerland brand, Swiss made. As you can see here, mentioned Swiss made. So this is 42 dial, and this one is the stainless steel. Here you can see the carbon black dial colors like that, and two hands white in color. And here you can see some features inside just mentioned on every corner, like on 12 o'clock meteor is mentioned, 2 o'clock altimeter is mentioned, 4 o'clock chronometer is mentioned, 6 o'clock compass is mentioned, and then 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock, right? So 6 features you are watching here on the dial. And this rotating bezel, it's very smooth. As you can see, it's very smooth rotating bezel than any other watch. So what this bezel will show you, it will show you the chronograph, or it will show you the directions. As you can see here, 4 directions already mentioned: south, west, north and the east. So here is the option compass. So through that compass you can get the directions actually where you are. If you are going in the forest, going for the mountains, going for the trekking, so this is must having watch on your wrist, right? To identify the distance between the location where are you right now from the sea level. Meteometer is there, it's tell about what would be the weather in future, right? Weather will be destroyed or weather will be smooth, so you will get the information about weather. You will get the temperature around yourself, what is the temperature right now. So it will, you put it on your wrist for some time, so it will give you the accurate temperature. This is the for alarm, so you can set the alarm. So just let me introduce about it. So it's a totally stainless steel watch. Here you can see its specifications mentioned. So it is Tissot 1853. This is the year where this brand watch introduced, right, into the world watches. And T-Touch 2, it's the series, water resistant up to 10 bar or 100 meter or 330 feet, or it has sapphire crystal glass which is scratch resistant. So in this video you can see there is not a single scratch, and I'm having it from last 3-4 years. It's working absolutely fine, there is not a single problem. I use it on everyday basis. Is a rough and tough watch, and you can use it in so many activities. As I have already told you about its features. So just let me introduce about its touch activity. Here you can see 3 keys are there, plus is mentioned over there, T is mentioned over there, as you can see, and the minus is mentioned over there. So if you are pushing T continuously like that, so here you can see it will sound a little and the T's start blinking. When T start blinking, then its touch is activated. If I am touching on its meteometer, then it is showing me the reading. I am touching it on the altimeter, it is showing me the reading On chronometer, then chronograph is start. You can set the alarm. This is the thermometer. So right now the temperature of my surroundings is 35.8 degrees centigrade, and the temperature you can set into the another unit. You can set it to the Fahrenheit also. So I will just tell you how can you do that, right? So again, it's only sometimes it's blinking. T is blinking for some time only, then it will be deactivated on itself. Again, you just have to push that key so that it can activate it. Right now you can see here T is blinking continuously. So just if you are touching on the compass, then compass is activated. So if you just moving the watch, then the hands also will move, right? So you can just adjust the directions where you are according to your place, right? So here you can see some other features are there. It's a chronograph. Just if you push the plus key, then it just starting. As you can see, stopwatches start here. Again, if you push the same key, then it will stop. So you can just measure your leap time, whatever you are doing, your activity. Again, if you are pushing it the minus key, then it will reset to the 0, as you can see here. So again, some features also are there. If you are touching on the center, then you can see the hands will show you the time and the display will show you the date. So today is 25th May 2020. Again, if you are touching on the center, then you can see different kind of features. Again, you are touching the center, right? So if you are touching this key, then you can see the light is activated here. So you can see the red light on the display. So you can read the time and the date in the dark too, right? And here is the time. So you can set it to the 24-hour or 12-hour as per your convenient. There is an option. So if option is blinking here of option you are seeing in the display, then you just have to push this key. So you will just see the 12-hour and centigrade. So you can adjust the hour into 24, centigrade into Fahrenheit. Again, if you are touching the center key, then you can see the beep on. So you can do the beep on or off. So you will push the plus key, so beep off. Again push beep on. Again push in center, then you will see the option for sleep. If you are not touching anywhere else and it's sleeping, it's continuously beeping, then it will go to the sleep, as you will see here. So right now it is sleeping. So if it is sleeping even for 1, 2 month, 3 month or for a year, and if you will turn it on, then it will show you the exact time, right? If you will turn it on after 3 months, then after 3 months it will show you exact time, exact date, right? If I am just turning it on after few minutes, then you will see it will give you the accurate time, right? So just you don't have to adjust it again and again. So you can put it into sleeping mode if you are not using it anymore, right? So that you can save its battery. If I am again pushing the T key, then it will again showing me the accurate time with accurate date. So it's a very beautiful watch, and it is also having luminous hands. Also it's rotating bezel, very smooth rotating bezel. So it's a beautiful watch. If you are thinking to buy this watch, so right now this model is not available in the market. You can get pre-owned from other authentic pre-owned sites like Creation Watches, like Chrono24, etc. And if you are going to buy a new one, then you will get its upgraded model in the market, where you can get C-Touch, and you can get the titanium T-Touch Expert, solar expert, which doesn't need any battery and work from the solar light. So the higher models are available in the market, but this one is the best one. I am having it from last 3-4 years. There is not a single problem. I am using it on my daily uses. It's a rough and tough watch, very high quality stainless steel. So you can expect it from the brand, that is Tissot. It's a durable brand, and I will prefer, yeah, it's a best watch. If you are looking for a sporty watch or for a smart watch or digital watch. Okay, so thank you. If you are new to my channel, please like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel for more upcoming latest videos. As you can see there are more expensive watches: Hublot, Omega, Planet Ocean, Seiko, Victorinox, Tag Heuer, having more than 200 watches. So just I will explain everything. If you are having any doubt, if you are unable to synchronize its digital time as well as analog time, please you can command me. Just I will make another video on that. So today I just explain about its features. I hope you will like it. If you like it, then please share it. Okay, thank you.